Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are solving another absolute value equation. The equation is, the absolute value of 4x plus 3 equals 11. Let's start with a quick reminder of the key rule. If the absolute value of some expression equals a positive number k, then that expression equals k, or that expression equals negative k. We always get two cases. In our problem, the expression inside the absolute value bars is 4x plus 3. And k equals 11, which is positive. So we will split into two cases and solve each one separately. Step 1, write the two cases. Case 1, 4x plus 3 equals 11. Case 2, 4x plus 3 equals negative 11. Step 2, solve case 1. We have 4x plus 3 equals 11. Subtract 3 from both sides. 4x equals 11 minus 3, which is 8. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 8 divided by 4, which is 2. Case 1 gives us x equals 2. Step 3, solve case 2. We have 4x plus 3 equals negative 11. Subtract 3 from both sides. 4x equals negative 11 minus 3, which is negative 14. Divide both sides by 4. X equals negative 14 divided by 4. Simplify the fraction by dividing numerator and denominator by 2. X equals negative 7 over 2. Case 2 gives us x equals negative 7 halves. Step 4, check both solutions in the original equation. Check x equals 2. Substitute into the absolute value of 4x plus 3. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. The absolute value of 11 is 11. 11 equals 11. True. This solution works. Check x equals negative 7 halves. Substitute into the absolute value of 4x plus 3. 4 times negative 7 halves equals negative 14. Negative 14 plus 3 is negative 11. The absolute value of negative 11 is 11. 11 equals 11. True. This solution also works. Step 5, write the solution set. Our two solutions are x equals 2 and x equals negative 7 halves. The solution set is negative 7 halves, 2. Now let's look at the number line. We place a closed dot at negative 7 halves, which is negative 3.5, between negative 4 and negative 3. We place a closed dot at positive 2. Both points satisfy the original equation. Let's recap everything. The equation was, the absolute value of 4x plus 3 equals 11. We split into two cases. Case 1, 4x plus 3 equals 11. Subtract 3. 4x equals 8. Divide by 4. X equals 2. Case 2, 4x plus 3 equals negative 11. Subtract 3. 4x equals negative 14. Divide by 4. X equals negative 7 halves. Both solutions checked out in the original equation. The solution set is negative 7 halves and 2. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.